Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now, wash your beard and the skin beneath thoroughly, then dry it completely so needles glide. Once done, soak the roller in 70% alcohol for 5 minutes and let it air dry. This reduces infection risk. Make a small test pass at 0, 25 mm to find comfort. Move slowly so you feel pressure but no sharp pain. These first controlled passes set a safe baseline and prime the follicles for the rest of the session. Now you follow a systematic pattern. Roll vertically, then horizontally, then diagonally both ways. Make 4-direction passes to stimulate uniform collagen and blood flow. Use light, even pressure and stop after about 6 passes per region. Overdoing it causes irritation. Keep the whole session to 6 to 8 minutes. Make sure to avoid active acne or open cuts because rolling over those areas spreads bacteria and delays healing. This steady method maximizes growth signals while minimizing trauma. Finish by gently applying a soothing peptide or hyaluronic serum to reduce inflammation and support repair. Avoid heavy oils immediately. Once done, sanitize and store the roller dry in its case. Make sure to wait 48 to 72 hours between sessions depending on redness so skin fully recovers. If you see persistent swelling, increasing pain, pus, or unusual discoloration, stop treatments at once and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.